Hey YouTube, this is Jason. I'm starting a crypto channel. It seems like there's a need for some shorter term analysis on some of these breakouts and things that happen, and I think I can offer some value. So, just wanted to point out an example here before I start live streaming. Maybe my plan will be to live stream every day at 5, we'll see. But I wanted you to take a look at this Ren. This is one I've been watching the past few days. Ooh, there's a nice pullback. Live action. So check this out. Let's go to the 1 hour here. So you can see I got a lot of crazy lines, and I know a lot of people don't like that, but that's good with me. So get this off here. So you see that Ren since like January 11th, there's February 1st, all the way back to January 27th. It goes further back than that. It's been in this channel. Beautiful. There we go. January 3rd even, yeah, further back. But you see this like support line you can draw clearly here, going all the way up to the present time, and it's just been chopping around in this kind of channel here, especially this parallel rectangular channel. But also you have a nice price expansion possibility with some 3s and 1s candlesticks back here, which I'll explain in my future live streams and videos. But chopping around, been some great opportunities here. Actually missed quite a few of them, kind of getting faked out before I drew these boxes to see what was going on. But you also see this volume accumulation here. If you go to the 4 hour, you'll see that it had a lot of support right around this region here. Comparatively, this could have been a great entry point just based on the volume and then the fact that it was kind of bouncing off the bottom of this box here. I use several technical indicators, including the TTM, RSI, and the vortex on the daily. The MACD and the vortex on the daily, the RSI on the 1 hour. But this kind of like expanding price action that you see with the 3s and the 1s, I'll make it clear in the future videos. But a lot of good action, and coupled with that is just that it's an interesting product, right? I mean, Ren's virtual machine is able to transfer assets securely and trustlessly compared to competitors like Wrapped BTC, right? So you don't need it's non-custodial, right? So and then we got some news today that they're basically being able to port things over to Binance Smart Chain. So what I do is I try to find good projects that I at least a little bit believe in, some good solid projects, and I keep an eye, on the charts and as well as the social media, what they're putting on Twitter, relevant news events, and I kind of combine all that to make my entries and exits. On Ren right now, what I'm looking for. Look at these lines, just perfect, right? Like this dip that happened that a lot of people were panicking about. It's just look at this bottom line. Look how well it respected that line. That's been going back since January, right? And then look at this, boom, hits that line, and look what we got again after this recent surge. Boom, hits that line and retreats. It's kind of uncanny, right? So, I'm sure it's a combination of human psychology playing out over the chart patterns that people have studied for years, and bots doing this as well. It does seem like people are almost trying to keep the price down on this as well. But so I'm not doing real big price predictions or anything, but I'm looking at this 130-ish level for a target, and then beyond that, in this wider range that these 3s have painted. Some of these 3s have painted that might hold up, up in the 150 area by the end of February. Of course, with crypto, it can come a lot sooner than that. So we'll see what happens. If you pull back on the daily, you'll see this box holds as well, just like it did on the 4 hour. They're pretty close. So. But anyway, that's a little introduction about some of the things I'll doing. So I'll just be doing live streams, and people won't do chart requests. We'll pull them up and we'll take a look at them, and we'll see what we find. So hope to see you around. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, get notifications when we go live, and we'll see what this crypto season brings us.